Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is to simply open the recent, and it depends if you've got the gestures set just like me or if you've got the navigation buttons. So if you will have the navigation buttons, then you will have to tap on the square button or the button with 3 bars icon. I'm not really sure which option it is applied in this device. But if you've got the gestures like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here. So let me do it just like that. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. If you'd like to close only one of it, then just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, just go to the very left in order to find the clear all option. Let's tap on it. We just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recent again. And as you can see, we've got no recent items, so it means that we just successfully closed all running apps. So actually this is it. This is how to close background apps in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.